بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ثم توليتم من بعد ذلك فلولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته لكنتم من الخاسرين.
Then you turned away after that, and if not for the favor of Allah upon you and His mercy, you would have been among the losers.
وَلَقَدْ عَلِمْتُمُ الَّذِينَ اعْتَدَوْا مِنكُمْ فِي السَّبْتِ فَقُلْنَا لَهُمْ كُونُوا قِرَدَةً خَاسِئِينَ.
And you had already known about those who transgressed among you concerning the Sabbath, and we said to them, be apes disgraced.
فَجَعَلْنَاهَا نَكَالًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهَا وَمَا خَلْفَهَا وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ.
And we made it a deterrent punishment for those who were present and those who succeeded them, and a lesson for those who fear Allah.
وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَأْمُرُكُمْ أَن تَذْبَحُوا بَقَرَةً قَالُوا أَتَتَّخِذُنَا هُزُوًا قَالَ أَعُوذُ بِاللَّهِ أَنْ أَكُونَ مِنَ الْجَاهِلِينَ.
And recall when Moses said to his people, indeed Allah commands you to slaughter a cow. They said, do you take us in ridicule? He said, I seek refuge in Allah from being among the ignorant.
قالوا ادع لنا ربك يبين لنا ما هي قال إنه يقول إنها بقرة لا فارض ولا بكر عوان بين ذلك فافعلوا ما تؤمرون.
They said, call upon your Lord to make clear to us what it is. Moses said, Allah says it is a cow which is neither old nor virgin, but median between that. So do that you are commanded.
قالوا ادع لنا ربك يبين لنا ما لونها قال إنه يقول إنها بقرة صفراء فاقع لونها تسر الناظرين.
They said, call upon your Lord to show us what is her color. He says it is a yellow cow, bright in color, pleasing to observers.
قالوا ادع لنا ربك يبين لنا ما هي إن البقرة شابه علينا وإنا إن شاء الله لمهتدون.
They said, call upon your Lord to make clear to us what it is. Indeed, all cows look like to us, and indeed we, if Allah wills, will be guided.
صدق الله العظيم.